Charter Wire's cold rolling process offers the ability to precisely shape your steel product and engineer enhanced mechanical properties such as higher tensile strength, hardness, toughness, and weldability, along with lower ductility. Cold rolling works by sending a wire rod through a series of rolling mills to reach the desired shape. Charter Wire engineers custom tooling in-house to shape the rod each step of the way. As it passes through each rolling mill, tooling compresses and elongates the steel, changing the grain structure and increasing the tensile strength by up to 50%. As it reaches its final shape, edges, surfaces, and mechanical properties are refined to your specifications, with accuracy down to 1/1000th of an inch. The final product is then wound into oscillate coils or shear cut into lengths that are bundled to meet your specific packaging needs. The result is steel with a smooth, polished look and mechanical properties optimized for your application.